Inside CERBERUS, you can manage all your smart traps and enjoy precise and effortless pest monitoring. Pheromone replacement is still done manually when needed, but capture counting and cleaning happen automatically every day, directly within the trap. These devices also log temperature and humidity, giving you a complete understanding of field conditions. The interface looks similar to conventional traps to keep everything intuitive, but now it displays aggregated capture data per trap, including both quarantine pests and ordinary pests. And thanks to the integration of CERBERUS with EFOS TrapView, you receive AI-interpreted daily capture counts. You can easily add pheromone change events, explore detailed data from each smart trap, and access user-friendly tables, one showing the total captures per week, and another showing important events like image uploads or daily average data. You also find clear graphs showing weekly totals as well as minimum and maximum temperature and humidity, plus their average. On the main Smart Trap dashboard, you can explore advanced charts such as the Thermal Development Constant and the MTD, males per trap and date, along with treatment indicators in green, making it easy to see how capture peaks drop after each treatment. And best of all, even if a smart trap is removed from the field, all its data remains available in the historical records, so you never lose valuable information.